How to solve sound not working on Windows. So if you want to solve sound not working on your Windows, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your Windows search option. And then here you need to search for control panel. After that, click on the control panel. And here you can see all of these options. And on the top is you can see that you will have view by. You need to just simply click on it. And if it is set to category, then you need to click and select the large icons. And over here, we need to find the sound option. Once you find the sound, you need to click on the sound option and it will open something like this. Here you will be able to see the speakers. So just right click on it. And then if it is disabled, you need to just simply go and enable it. Or if it's still not working, you need to right click, disable it, and then again right click on it and then go with enable. After that, right click and then go with properties. And once you click on properties, you will get this kind of interface. You need to just simply go with levels. And here it must look like this. It should be 100. And then as you can see that you will have the advanced option. Right here, you need to go with the advanced tab and then click on test, which will be on the right side. And you will be able to hear a sound. You can check those and then click on OK and go with apply. And make sure that you set this as a default, which is right here. After that, click on OK and your problem will be solved. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.